What if understanding your energy use started with a simple question? Are we using electricity efficiently, or are we too dependent on the grid? Each month, families pay bills but overlook an important question. Can alternative energy concepts help us become more informed? A DIY project encourages individuals to explore this question. Modern homes depend on reliable electricity for lighting, heating, cooling, and entertainment. As energy costs rise, people seek energy-saving solutions like efficient appliances and renewable sources. But many projects seem complicated, needing advanced knowledge or costly installations. Homeowners wonder if there's a simpler way to learn about energy systems. Energy interest goes beyond just bills. It's about understanding daily necessities. Relying on unknowns causes uncertainty. Education fosters self-reliance, not merely replacing the grid. Learning energy concepts can empower better questions. Where does energy go? How can we cut unnecessary use? What alternative concepts exist? Can a DIY project simplify these ideas? Ignoring energy use leads to inefficiencies like unnecessary device power. Many don't consider backup energy plans. The goal isn't to stress over energy issues. Awareness offers options. Waiting for high costs limits research time. Learning early allows comparison of solutions and informed choices. Energy awareness doesn't require drastic changes. Start small. Track energy use. Improve efficiency. Cut excess consumption. Understand backup options. Explore realistic educational DIY projects. No method needs to cover every concern. The aim is to manage energy decisions confidently. Enter the energy revolution system. This digital guide introduces a DIY energy concept inspired by Tesla. It's a resource, not a ready-made system, to understand projects and assembly. It appeals to DIY enthusiasts and energy self-reliance seekers. Expect realistic performance. Factors affect results. No project guarantees bill elimination or grid replacement. Safety matters. Follow electrical codes and seek professional help if needed. Exploring energy starts with knowledge. You become aware of your usage and ask better efficiency questions. Planning energy consumption can involve various approaches. For some, a Tesla-inspired project offers hands-on learning. For others, broader energy interests. The aim isn't instant independence but curiosity, education, and confidence in energy evaluation. Electricity supports modern life, but we often overlook it until bills arrive or power cuts occur. Becoming energy aware starts with curiosity, not major inventions. By learning efficiency and exploring concepts, people can make informed choices. Greater self-reliance isn't always about disconnecting, it's understanding systems better. If rising costs encourage exploration of alternatives, check the link in the description for the energy revolution system. Review the information, consider your skills, and decide if this DIY energy concept suits you. The link is in the description for anyone interested in exploring further. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. What steps have you taken to be more energy conscious at home?